We don't want to take his gun. I'll take his driver's license if he has.
Right now.
Yeah, I think he does. That's this is friend's car, and we're pulling out on ours. This looks like a different car. Oh, so what are you doing here? Is this your mate?
What the fuck?
He unfortunately came over that hill right there, and he flew right into a tanker. One of those ones right there.
Carlos, no man!
Yeah, he's fine.
Yeah, he's full gone.
Can you motherfuckers show some compassion here? I just lost a brother.
Yeah, you know what?
Well,
You know what?
that's what happens when you
And
disobey the law.
And he was a piece of shit too. Alright? And
Oh,
I
no.
and I
Officer,
defiled
that's,
his corpse.
Oh.
Okay?
Oh no, that's not true. So,
If you weren't an officer of the law,
Oh,
this would be
God.
so much different now.
alright, let's calm down. Let's calm down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey,
Look.
do you know what one of the other officers said when he was burning up? He said, mate, I thought he smelled like KFC. And I said, mate, KFC? He smelled like
You're
a
the
burnt
chief,
cat.
aren't you?
Look, sir, I'm gonna have to talk to this man after we hop
I
off
request
patrol.
one free shot of him.
Yeah, I can't do that for you.
I'm a Malaysian kickboxing champion. I don't know if you know this.
Unless he gives you permission to give him a free shot of him.
He's got to can consent if he wants.
And when I say shot, I don't mean bullet shot. I mean.
No.
Oh, whoa, officer, officer.
Alright.
Alright, officer. Come on. Alright.
Whoa. Put the machete away.